Okay, how to communicate with the Snowflake. Tell me, how can I communicate with the Snowflake with the help of what? The help of SQL. Okay, SQL. What is SQL abbreviation? It's a structured query language. Okay, so structured query language. Okay, so it is acts as a simple thing. What happened? It acts as a bridge between between user and Snowflake. Okay, so it acts as a bridge between user and Snow. So this is fine. Again, these are divided into DDL. So SQL commands. Okay, tell me SQL commands are SQL statements. Okay, SQL statements. Okay, are SQL languages are basic building blocks of SQL. All are related to what? Related to DDL, DML, TCL, TRL, and TC. Okay, so these are important. Tell me abbreviation for DDL. It's a data definition language. Important. Okay, see, without this, we can't able to proceed further. What about DML? It's a data manipulation language. What about TCL? TCL.
Transaction control.
It's a transaction control language. So transaction control language. Okay, so these are the things. Okay, see this. Okay, so transaction control language. Language. Okay. What about DRL or DQL? Tell me abbreviation for DRL or DQL.
Data retrieval language.
Okay, 1 second. Give me 1 second. Tell me what about DRL or DQL? It's a data retrieval
Or query language.
query language. Retrieval or query language. So this is fine. Okay. What about this? It's a data control language. Okay. So before that, tell me what is our role? We need to apply after completion of the sessions. Tell me our role. What's the role?
Snowflake developer.
Okay, we are called as developer. We also as because we are working on data called as data engineers. Okay. And who are your team members? You need to understand what are the team members. Tell me in a project. First you say like a developer, admin, architect, then testing team will be there, BA team will be there. Okay, then the team lead, the project manager, the scrum master. So these are the things will be. Okay, now point is that what, okay, now we'll discuss all these things. Okay, okay. Tell me what is DDL commands you're having in Snowflake perspective? We're having what? So create, then alter, and then drop. Okay, so create statement, alter command, drop command. What is create statement will do? Tell me, important. What is create statement is doing?
To create the table.
So to create new database object. Okay, it can be anything. It can be table, or it can be view, or it can be schema, or it can be database. If I want to create a new database object, we'll go for create statement. What about alter statement? Tell me alter statement. Alter statement.
To modify the table.
Modify the existing.
Only table. Huh? To modify the existing database object definition. Okay, see. So all remember, create is a new object. Alter is nothing but what? To modify the existing database object definition, like adding a new column, dropping a column, renaming, all this thing we can able to make it working. What about drop command? What exactly drop command will do? Drop command. What it will do?
To remove the existing object.
So to remove the existing object from the database. Okay, so see what happened. So to remove the database object, to remove the existing database object from database. Okay, it's a new object, existing object removing, okay, changing, and to remove the database object. So this is a functional. 1 second, give me. Now tell me now create statement syntax, create table name. Okay, employee details underscore T. So bracket open, bracket close. Okay, tell me what are the columns we can able to expect. Employee ID. It's a what data type? Say number data type. Okay, same thing. Let me 1 second. We'll see this use case. So remember tables are important. Without tables, nothing will get. We'll see this use case. Now I want to, when I click on this add member, I want to create this table. Tell me first we need to create one table. Tell me syntax for this table. What name I can give for this use case? I can give COVID vaccine registration. Okay, so COVID vaccine registration underscore T. What is underscore T? Tell me it's called as what? What is underscore T? Say,
Table.
it's a table representation table. Okay. Now what happened? Name is what data type? Name is
No. Varchar.
varchar. Okay. Var. Okay. Same. Okay. What about gender? Gender is also
Gender Varchar.
varchar. Same thing. So what about year of birth? Year of
Number.
birth. Number. Okay. If I put number, say number. Okay. So year of birth is a number. Okay. This SQL statement will take time. Okay. So then what about suppose if I put 2013? Okay. This is what? This is what? Date of birth. Date of birth. So date, month, year. This is called as what? Say
Date.
date data type. Date. So, okay. Same thing. Now what happened? Photo ID proof. It's a what data type? It's a alphabets are there. It go for varchar photo ID. Same. Same thing now what happened now I select the passport. So passport is a combination of alphabets. It's a what? It's also
Barker.
varchar. Okay, varchar. Okay, got a pointer. So this is the function. I could see name. Okay, varchar. So these are the data type. Now what happened? Now tell me if I want to create this object, what I should do? Tell me now I want to create this thing. What we should have? We should have one Snowflake account is there. Snowflake account, we need to install any software or any hardware. Tell me
Not
first
required.
now, because it's a SaaS model, software as a service. No need to install any software or any hardware. Just to create account and work on it. Okay, it's a SaaS model. Okay. Now let me go back there. So Snowflake account. I already created it. Okay. Now where I should click? Click on where? You can so create SQL worksheet. So we can able to communicate with this SQL system. Okay. Now control V. Tell me what is shortcut? What is shortcut? What is shortcut? Control enter is the shortcut. Tell me if I want to create any database object, what required? We require. Tell me.
Schema.
So see, one database, one schema should be there. Okay. Let me create one simple development database. Create database EDW DevDB. What is EDW abbreviation? It's an Enterprise Data Warehouse Development Database. Same thing, create schema EDW DevS. Okay, so this is my database. This is my schema. Tell me by using query, I want to find what is my database name, username, schema name, by using what? By using select current database. Okay. Current
Schema.
Okay, same thing. Current user. Everything is a current. Okay. Control enter is the shortcut. Okay. So these are basics very important. EDW, DevDB, Dev schema, Praveen SSR. Okay, in this database, in this schema, I want to find list of tables. Tell me how to find list of tables.
Show tables.
Show tables. So with the help of show tables, we can find list of tables. As of now, tables are not there. Now, how can I create the table by using which command? By using which command?
Create.
Create statement. By using create statement, we can able to create the table. Okay, so create statement. Okay, so create statement or create. So control enter. Okay. Tell me second time can I create the same table? Huh? Tell me. So it says successfully created. Can I execute the same time one more time? Huh? This statement.
No.
No. Okay. See the same thing. It says object already exists. So see in the database under schema, one name should be given for only one object. Okay. See point is that word. So it is this object already exists. Now tell me now how to see list of tables? Show tables. Okay.
Tables.
Now I want to fetch the data or I want to query the data. How to query the data by which command? Which command?
Select.
Select is what category? What category is it? So DRL. Okay, so DR that is data retrieval. Okay, or data query language. Say select statement. Okay, if I want to fetch any data with the help of select statement. Okay, see select star from table name control enter. Now table data is there. Now client is asking, tell me daily what type of call will be there in a project? What type of call? The Scrum call or the status call or the stand-up call. Okay. What exactly we'll discuss? Tell me. What exactly we'll discuss in this thing?
What has done?
Daily task.
Okay, the Jira task. Okay, so Jira task. Okay, are the day-to-day activities. Simply yesterday, what we have done, and today, what we are going to do. This is simple thing. Okay, simple thing. We need to give our status updates to all the team members. Tell me how long the Scrum call will be there. How long? 1 2 hours.
Usually 15 minutes.
15 to 20 minutes. Okay, either morning or evening. Okay, so depends on the client. Okay, so Scrum call. Okay. Now what happened in the Scrum call? Client is asking to add an extra column. Tell me how to add extra column. I want to change the definition. We should go for what concept? Go for alter state. Alter. So to modify the existing database object definition. Okay, so if I want to modify the existing database object definition, we'll go for this functional. Got the point? To modify the existing database object definition. Clear? This is the functionality. Okay. Next thing is that what is syntax? Syntax are important. Alter table name, add column name, and a data type. Okay, so this one's a mix of here. So see, I'm meeting everyone. Okay, see, alter table name, add column name, data type. Okay, control D. Now, what is the table name? Tell me table name. I forgot the table name. How to get? Show tables. Show tables. We can refresh. So this is my database. So this is my schema. We'll get our tables will be available. Now copy the same thing. Now what happened now? Syntax. What is syntax? Alter table name, add column. Suppose if phone. Phone is what data type? Tell me. Phone is what data type? Phone is
Number.
a number data type. Okay, tell me. This will be added at where? This column. The new column will be added where? At which position? Starting or ending?
Pending.
Tell me.
Last.
Okay, see, so it will be added at the last position. Tell me second time, can I do the same statement one more time? Second time?
No.
No.
Okay.
Because
So
already.
why? Because no, it is already there. Now try to execute. So it won't work because what happened in table, one column should be there on the okay. So one name should be given for only one column. Okay. Okay, says already exists. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay. Now client is asking to remove this column. How to remove this column? Instead of add, drop
Using drop.
column name. Okay, like this way you can name it work. This is fine. Okay, so far. Now suppose the client is saying I don't want this table anymore. Then what I should do? Okay, now I don't want this table. Then I should go for what command? Go for drop command.
Drop.
Okay, so to remove the existing database object. So what is syntax? Drop table name. Syntaxes are important for all these things. See, let me go back here to see drop table and our table name. Okay, see what is shortcut? Control enter. Okay, see control enter. Okay. Now see refresh. Now what happened? Now this table will be not available. Tell me if I execute the same statement work, then says object does not exist. See, scroll down and says object does not exist. So this is the concept of TDL, create statement, alter statement, drop statement, and a DRL. That is select statement. Got the point? Clear, Safar? So
Praveen,
this is
one
the
doubt.
good.
Why we didn't provide character length? Like
No, see, now tell me how it's a list of columns. List of columns.
show
No, in my
table.
table. No. In my table, I want a list of columns. How's the list of columns?
Show.
Describe table name.
Describe. Okay, so this is basics are important. Okay, see what is syntax? So describe table name. Okay, so syntaxes are important. Describe table name. So describe table and the table name. So COVID vaccine registration. Okay, so this is my table name. Now TC point is that what if I don't give the data size, what happened? Take the default size. Okay, so default size. So default size for number is what? Number is 38, 0. Okay. What about varchar taking how much? It's taking what? Okay, see, select 16. What is 16 MB? 1 MB is nothing but what? 1024 bytes into 1024. Okay, see, so see, let me execute this statement. Tell me both are same, no? 16, 16. So see, it's occupied 16 MB. 16 MB is nothing but what? 16 into 1024 kilobytes. Okay, into 1024. Okay, bytes. Okay, so this is the function. Got the point. See, if I don't do it will take the default size of 38, 0 and 16 MB. That's the function. Got the point?
Yeah. Thank you.
Okay, so this is the default. So if you don't give it, good.
What about 38, 0? 38 is the maximum length and 0 is what?
0, like, okay, scale and precision. Anybody? Anyone knows scale and precision? This is a little bit confusing topic. We'll see it tomorrow. Okay.
Yeah, it's
So
the total numbers and the decimals.
Okay, so we'll see the same thing in round function. I'll try to explain. You know what happened? Okay. Tell me in Indian currency. Okay. Tell me after decimal. Suppose like see 1, 2, 3, 4 point. Okay. How many digits should be there after decimal in Indian currency? Because 1 rupee contains how many paise?
100 paise.
100 paise. Nothing but what? After decimal, we can able to get only 2 digits. Okay, we'll see the same thing, the scale and precision in a round functionality. There will get some clarity. Okay, so it's a little bit confusing. I'll try to explain the round function. Okay. So scale and precision will explain the round function. Okay, so there we can able to see after decimal how many digits we want. We can able to see the same. A little bit confusing. I can able to. So this is the functionality. Tell me, I forgot the table name. How to get the table name? Show tables. Okay, control enter. So this is my table. Now tell me in this table data is there. Tell me data is there. So data is not okay. Now I want to populate the data in this table. Tell me how to populate the data.
Insert.
Using TML command. Okay, see. So DDL for only definition, the headings, that change. Suppose I want to change the column name. Okay, drop the column. So we should go for definition, that is DDL. But I want to work on the data manipulation language, that is insert statement. Okay, see, let me go back here. So work on the DML statement. Okay, so
Even if I
Data,
want to modify the existing table name.
that's also basing alter and rename. Basing alter and rename. So now see what happened, data manipulation language. What are the commands we're having? Insert, okay, update, then delete, truncate, and what is statement? Merge statement. In Snowflake, we're having insert statement, update statement, delete, truncate, and merge statement. So this is the functionality. Insert, update, delete, truncate, and merge statement. Before that, let me try to see one second. Hold on. See 1 second. We'll see if we create a simple table and we'll try to work on all these concepts. Okay. Now tell me now by seeing this step, by seeing this one, we need to create one table. Tell me what's the name I can create this for this table. I want to give one table name. What name I can give?
Other
Other
details.
Tell me
Other
registered
details.
other details. So this is the same functionality. Okay. So create table. Okay. So table, and that is other details. T is a table. Okay. Now what happened? Other number is what data type? I see this one.
number.
It's a number data type. Okay. So number. So data type. So this is the same thing. Next one, name is what data type. Name is a what data type. It's a
Varchar.
varchar. So these basics are important. Okay. See varchar. Okay. Then I put like this. What is the thing? It's a data size. Data size of 100 characters. Okay. So address is also
Varchar.
varchar. Okay. 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 So we'll see what is varchar. Varchar to this. Okay. Mobile number. Mobile's number is also say number data. Number data type. Okay. So this is fine. Next one, go for email. Email is nothing but say alphanumeric. Go for
Varchar.
varchar. So the same function. Okay. Now, so before that, first we should have one Snowflake account, then development database. So development schema should be there. Okay. Let me go back here. Okay. Let me step by step. You need to understand this functionality. Okay. The simple on SQL. Okay. Within 2-3 weeks, you can learn the functionality. Okay. Now what happened? Let me create one database. So create database other dev db. Okay. Dev db. Okay. Control enter. Dev db. Okay. Refresh. Okay. Now what happens? Suppose by mistake I given this name. Okay. Everything. Okay. Now I want to remove this object. How to remove this object? What I should do? So
Drop it.
drop. So drop database. Okay. So refresh. Okay. The same function. Now database is the next to create one schema. So create schema other dev db. So dev scheme. So control enter. Okay. Now create the table. Now see our database. Okay. Our schema. Our table will be available. Tell me how's list of tables. List of tables.
View tables.
Show tables. Okay, show tables. Now, how to fetch the data by using which command? That is selected. That is DRL, data retrieval or data query language. Okay, so this now data. Now what happened? Now I want to populate the data in the existing table. Now we should go for which concept? Tell me. Tell me.
Data manipulation.
Using DML concepts. So see, font is that what? Okay, see. So now I want to populate the data. Okay, see now see the same thing. See, now I want to populate the data by using which command? By using DML statement. Okay, so that is insert. So insert. What exactly insert statement will do? To insert or to populate a new record where in the existing database table. So see, point is that what first we should have database should be there, then the table should be there. So it is to populate or insert a new record in the existing table. So table. So see, point is that what to populate new record. Okay. So what is the syntax for insert statement? Syntaxes are important for every topic as of now. See, insert into table name, column 1, okay, column 2. How many columns are there? 2 columns. Now, how many values I should give here? Values. So, val1, val2. So, 2 columns. Okay, see, 2 columns here. So, column 1, column 2, val1, val2. Okay, so this is the functionality. Okay, column 1. So, 2 columns compulsory to 2 values. Okay, let me go back here. So, this is important. Listen. So many errors will get insert into other details T. Okay. So now what happens? Suppose see, I am going for only 2 columns. Other number, comma, name column. Okay. Now see 2 columns are there. Now I am trying to go for 3 values. Tell me it work. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
No.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So suppose like say I'm putting 3 values. Tell me it work. As an important errors, tell me I'm having 2 columns other, but I'm trying to populate. So 3 values. It says insert list does not match the expected. How many expected? We are expecting 2, but we are getting 3. So this is one issue. Same thing now what happened? Control C, Control V. Now if you put single column work, single value for 2 columns. Tell me it work.
No, it will
It's
not
an
work.
It will not
It will
work.
work.
So, no, it won't work. Expecting 2, but got. So compulsory should give. Yes, compulsory need to give. Okay, so 2 values. So same thing now what happened? Copy the same thing. Control V. So insert list. Now what happened? What they want? They want Praveen. Okay, see Praveen. Tell me it work. Now 2 columns, 2 values. Tell me it work or not?
It'll work.
not.
See one more time.
No, it's not work. You need to double code the var Kevin.
You see now what happens. So here, so numbers no fine. But what happened? This is alphanumeric. Alphanumeric compulsory. We should put what? We should put in single
Double
quotes. So not
single
double quotes, single quotes.
quote.
This is important. See the same functionality. Now see other number name. Okay. See for alphabets. So see for numbers, no need of anything. For strings, we need to put single quote. Now same thing. Now what happened? Instead of other number, I'm putting Praveen. Tell me it work out. 2 columns, 2 values. Yes or no?
No, it's not work.
Why?
No.
Data types differs.
See what happens. So see other number name. Now see control enter. Okay. Now see what happens is numeric value is suppose let me put Kumar. Okay. Now see what's saying. It says numeric value Kumar is not recognized. Why? Why this issue will get regular this type of issue? Why? Reason is that what?
The column have like a number data type, right?
Okay. Now tell me issue with which column?
The first one column number.
Other number column.
Other. Okay, 1 second. Give me 1 second. Tell me now what is the issue? So it says numeric value is not recognized. So issue with which column? So it's the first point that is other number. Now how to see list of columns? Describe table and the table name. Okay, like this only we need to debug. Okay, see control enter. Now see what is issue saying? Other number is what it is a number. So what is issue in number data type? We need to have only numbers. So it's a function. Got the point. So see issue with which column? Other number. So in number data, we should get only number value should be populated. This is the functionality. Got the point. So these are the errors. Okay. So by seeing this error message, say what is it? It's a data type issue. In the number getting string value is the function. Okay. Got the point. So don't use the computer. Okay, 1 second. Okay, clear so far? So let me go back here. Now they want Aadhaar number, name, mobile number. So 3 columns. Okay. Copy the same thing. Control C. So Aadhaar number, name, mobile. Okay, C comma mobile, mobile number. So mobile number, what's the number? Say 970-8180-96. Step by step we need to go. Now see what happened. Now issue with which column? So see it says invalid mobile number. Why invalid mobile number?
It
Tell
was
me
not
what is.
shown in the
Okay,
previous.
see now how to confirm. So describe table and the table name. Okay, so we can't able to remember. Okay, see go back here. Now it's given what? It's given mobile. Okay, see. So if I get invalid for nothing but it's a what issue? It's a spelling mistake. Okay, see spelling mistake or column is not available. Is not available. Okay, see the point is that what seeing the error message, we should be in a position. This is the error message. You know what issue? So column name is not available. It's a spelling mistake. Actually, got the point. So this is the functionality. Our column name is a mobile is the column. Okay. Now what happened? Tell me now totally how many columns are there in my table? So let me see the select statement. So see select star from table. Okay, now how many columns are there here? Totally 5 columns are there. Out of 5 columns, how many columns we are populating? Only 3 columns. Remaining 2 columns, what value get populated by default? Anyone knows, huh? By default,
Null.
Null.
null will be. I will say the same thing, null separate session. So before that, see, this is important. So this is current session. Okay, open one more session. That is, okay, new session. Okay. Now see what happened. I can able to select the database. Okay. So ED, which one database? What's the database name? Other
Other
DevDB
develop.
development. So we can go for other DevDB dev schema. How's the list of tables? Show tables. Control enter. Now how to fetch the database? Which command by using select statement. Select star from table name, control enter. So this is the functionality. As of now, table is there, but data is not available. So see, I am trying to execute one statement. We'll see the same thing in tomorrow's session. So see, this is one thing. Alter session set auto commit. We'll see at later point of time. Commit equals to false. I'm trying to execute this statement. So you will also perform the same thing when you perform DML. Now see what happened. Now I'm trying to insert this regards. Okay. Let me copy the same thing. Okay, control enter. Now see what is issue? It's a numeric value. What is issue? Which column?
Other number.
Other number. It's a what data? It's a number data type. Okay. So let me go back here. So see, we need to put proper number on. For number, single quote required.
Not required.
Not required. Okay. See now what happened? So see control enter. Now how to see the databasing? Select the statement. Okay. See select the statement. Okay. Important. Listen. Now see data is available one record. So in the current session, data is available. What about the new session? Data is available.
Yes.
Yes or no?
Data is not get available.
Yes or no? Tell me.
It should
No.
be available.
No.
Tell me
No.
why.
We haven't
Auto
committed.
commit off. Because auto
That
commit
is-
you
Commit.
get.
I generally forget about auto commit. Normal functionality.
Normal
Normal data.
functionality, it will not.
Normal it
It
should
will
be
not.
available.
Why? DML is a word. Insert is a word statement. DDL or DML?
DML state.
And DML will get auto commit. Huh?
Yes.
No. So see, normal database functionality is the same thing. So see, this important listen. Okay, important listen. Okay. Now see, DDLs are auto committable. Okay, see what exactly it means. Tell me. So whenever we perform any DDL statement, okay, the changes will get automatically committed. Okay, see, okay, so see, simple thing what happened. Let me commit this data 1 second. Give me 1 second. I'll explain detail. Okay, commit. Okay, first I try to create one table. So create table. So T1 ID number. Tell me this is what statement create is a
DDLs.
DDL. Now tell me DDL nothing but what? It's a auto committable.
It's
Tell
auto
me.
committed.
So select the star from T1. Tell me data is okay. Table is created here. What about it in the new session? It will be available or not? It will be
Yeah, we get
available.
the table.
Okay. Let me add a new column. What is the column syntax? Alter table
Table,
T1
table name,
add. Okay.
column.
Number. Okay. Now see what happened. The new column is added in the current session. What about in the new session?
It is
It is
available.
also
It will be
populated in the section.
affiliate session also it is available. Why? Because so DDLs are
Also,
auto committable. So nothing but what whenever I perform any changes, the changes will get automatically reflected in all the sessions in the entire database. The changes will get reflected. One more time, DDLs are auto committable in the sense like what whenever I perform anything, no, the changes will get automatically reflected in the entire database. That is fine. Now, point is that what? Let me insert some record in my current session. So, how to insert? By using insert statement.
okay.
Insert into T1 values 1, 2. Now, see, I'm trying to populate one data. Now, data will be available in my current session. What about in the new session?
It's not populated in the another section.
No,
And tell me, it is
not populated.
not populated. Not populated. Okay, in the sense like what?
We need to commit the
Okay, see, so
DML.
what's so see conclusion is that what so DMLs are not auto
Auto
commit.
commit.
Okay, so this is important. So DMLs are not auto committable in the sense like what exactly in the sense okay see whenever we perform any changes whenever we perform any DMLs the changes will not be reflected. Okay, so reflect in the other session. Okay, the changes will be reflected in the current session. See, in the current session only, I can see the data. The data cannot be seen different session. Now, if I want to see the data, what happened? I need to control the transaction. Okay, now how to control the transaction with the help of what command?
commit and rollback. This is the
Tell me the help of TCL. So see, this is important. Remember, DMLs are called as transactions. So these transactions, how to control with the help of transaction
Action control language.
control
language.
language. What are the command we're having the transaction control language? The
Commit and
commit
rollback.
rollback.
Save point.
or rollback. Save point is there in Oracle database. Here it is not available. Okay, see,
Oh,
commit and rollback. Okay, so DMLs are called as transaction. These transactions explicitly will need to control. How to control by using which command that is? Transaction control. That is commit and rollback. With the help of commit and rollback, we are trying to control this transaction. Now, what is commit is doing? Tell me what is commit is doing?
we permanently saved in the
Save the data.
Where
entire data.
exactly? Where to save the changes in the database table permanently. So permanently we are trying to save this data. What about rollback? To
Okay,
revert
retrieve
the changes. Okay, so simple thing. Let me go back here. So see now data is data is available in my session. Now here data is not available here. Now what I should do? We need to go for what concept? Go for
Commit.
commit. So 3CL transaction control language. So once we commit data, what happened? Data will be available in the session. Okay,
data.
so this is a functionality. Got the point. So commit is nothing but to save the data permanently. So it will be available in the entire database. Okay, same thing. Let me go back here. Let me insert one more record. So 10, 20. Now what happened? Now see data is available now. How many records will be available in the current session? 2 records. What about the new session? Only the commit that is only 1 record. If I want to get the second record, what I should do? We need to commit the transaction. Now 2 records will be available. Okay, so this is the functionality. Let me insert one more record for understanding purpose. 100 and 200. Now how many records here? So 3 records. Now I don't want the third record. Then what I should do? Go for
To
rollback. Rollback. Okay. Now tell me, rollback will roll back all this data or what? Only the
or
The
before
last
commit.
transaction.
uncommitted data. Uncommitted changes is that is 100 and 200 the
Okay.
uncommitted data. Okay, so rollback. Now see what happened. The uncommitted data will be reverted back. So this is the functionality. One more time. So DDLs are auto committable. General database RDBMS, relationship data management system. Okay, DDLs are auto committable. DMLs are not auto committable. We need to explicitly control this transaction. How to control this transaction? With the help of TCL,
TCL.
transaction control language, that is commit and rollback. Commit is to save the data permanently, rollback is to revert the changes back. Okay, this is the functionality. We'll see one more time. Tell me, I forgot the table name. We should go for show tables,
Table.
show tables, control under the shortcut. Okay. Now copy the table name. Now how to fetch the data by using select the statement. Select the star from table name. Okay, see now data is available. This is fine. Now go for the second record. Now how to populate the data by using which statement? By using insert statement. Insert into table name. Now what I want to go for only Aadhaar number and name column. Okay. Aadhaar number and name column. So remaining what will be there? Remaining by default
Hitting null.
by default null value get populated. So we need to populate how many values? Only 2 values because we mentioned 2 columns. Okay, see Aadhaar number. Okay, see complete this statement. Okay, so try to do on this thing. Okay, almost like SQL statement will be covered here. Okay, so this is same. Now what happened? Go for Kumar. Okay. Now remaining columns by default null will be populated. Okay. In the session, 2 records. In the new session, only 1 record will be available. Now how to get? Tell me if I use commit here, anything will work? Huh? Tell me if I
No.
put commit, we'll
No,
get
it
the
won't
second
work.
record
No,
because so session based, we need to perform commit in the current where we perform the okay. So DML, there we need to perform the commit. Okay, then only we'll get the data. Now data is available in the and all the sessions. So this is fine. Go for the third record also. In the session where anywhere we can put okay, top or bottom or anything. Control B. Now what happened? Go for the same.
Praveen, I have a question.
Good.
In SQL, I don't think so. We required the commit statement, right? Because when
In
we are inserting automatically, that will be inserted into table in
in
SQL Server.
SQL Server. Okay. SQL Server. Okay. We can enable disable by using begin and end transaction. Here also it says, so here also what happened? So one concept we did, okay, see alter session. Yeah, this one I'll try to explain tomorrow.
Okay.
So we are disabling this function. So by default it will get automatically committed. So we'll see the same.
Oh, got it.
This is one parameter. Is that. Now what happened? Now I want to go for Aadhaar number, name, address, and email. Okay, see, go for address. I forgot the column names. How to get the column names? So describe table name.
Table.
So see Aadhaar number, address, and they want email. Okay, see. Now what happens? So make use of your concepts. So this is the functionality. Okay. So 3333445. Then Kadapa Rajat@gmail. Okay.
Email
So
spelling, sir. It has double L.
I will see that same. Okay. Interest like okay. So now see what happened. Now it will throw what? It will throw one error. What's the error? It says invalid. Why? Because it's a what is issue? What issue?
Column name.
It's a spelling mistake issue. Okay, so it's a email. Okay, it's a spelling mistake. Okay, if I get the spelling mistake, all column names will get invalid identifier. Okay, now how to see the state data by using select statement. Okay, so how many records are there? 3 records. How to commit? So by using commit, so that the data will be stored permanently. Now let me insert one more data, last record. Like this only we need to do step by step. So Control C, Control V. Now what happened? Okay, see 6677 like this. Okay, so 66677 66. Okay, now what happened? They want to go for what the column? So go for only Ravi. Okay, Ravi. Ravi. Okay, tell me for the remaining 2 columns what I need to put. What I need to put?
Null.
Null. Okay, can put null, or we can able to ignore. We can able to ignore the same. Okay. We can. So remove the column. Tell me it work if I remove.
It won't work.
No, we
It
need to
won't say.
remove column
Okay, so
code.
we need to
Column
remove,
name
or you
also.
can put simply null. Okay, without single quote, put null. We'll see null separately in the null session. Okay, see. So this is the functionality. So remove EL. Okay, so the things will be populated. Okay, commit the data. Now data will be permanently saved. Okay, see now both will have the same data. Now I forgot my table name. Now how to get the table name?
Show
How to
table.
show tables. Now how to fetch the data? By using
Select
select
statement.
data retrieval. Data retrieval is select statement. Okay. So select a star from table. We'll see select what exactly select in detail with the filtering concept. Now see data is available. What about the new session? New session also data will be available. So because since we commit, data is available. So far good. Now come to the topic. Let me take the screenshot. So first task is table creation, data population is complete. In the second task, now what? In the first task, what they're expecting? So they want to modify the data, Praveen Kumar and Kadappa. Now, how to modify the existing data? We should go for what concept?
Update.
Update statement. How to modify the existing database object definition? Alter statement. So definition, we should go for alter statement. For data, we should go for what? Go for update statement. Update. Okay. So see, this is important. So syntax is now what happened? Update is nothing but what? What is update?
Update
To modify the
existing data.
existing
Data.
database table records. Okay, so table records, because now it is just to modify the existing table data. So data should be available, then it can able to modify the things. Okay. Now what is syntax? Update table name set column name equal to value updated data. Okay, update table name set a column name equal to the same functionality. Okay, so this is the same thing. Now let me go back here. So see, simple thing. So we are in the current session. Okay. So this is my current session. So data is available. Now see, update table name. Okay, see, set what I want to set. What's the requirement? They want to go for name equal to Praveen Kumar. So name equal to, so Praveen Kumar. If I want to get multiple columns, we can put the comma. We can put comma. And next thing is that what? So they want to go for address. Okay, so syntax, no, you need to by heart. There is no other option. Okay, so cut up. Now see what happened. Let me execute. Now how many records getting executed? Tell me.
Number 4.
Tell me.
4 rows.
Tell me 4 records. So now how to see the data? How to see the data?
Select star from there.
Okay, select star. Now see what happened. 4 records are getting updated. Tell me it's correct. Huh?
Wrong.
Yes, exactly.
Okay, it is
Exactly.
not
Wrong.
correct. Okay, see now see the same thing. It is not correct. Now what happened now? Okay, what about in the new session data will be available?
Not, it's a DML command, right?
It's a DML, no? So data will not be available because so only committed data will be available in the different session. Now tell me, is it correct? Huh? It is
It's not
not
correct.
correct. Now I
Okay.
want to revert the changes. Now what I should do?
Roll back.
Roll back. So it will go to the previous, the committed transaction. So this is the functionality. Okay. Now see, point is that what now it is getting updated all records. Now we want to update only one record. Now we should go for what concept? Go for filtering concept. We'll see filtering in detail tomorrow session. You see filtering. Okay. Now, so we don't want all records. We want only particular data. Okay. See, copy the same thing. Of the same thing. So this is the functionality. Okay, so this is filtering concept. We need to get only one record because it is updating all the records. We don't want all the records. We want only the specific condition matching record only we need to modify. So this is simple thing. Okay, just okay. Follow the coding alignment. Okay, when not doing anything, follow the coding alignment for understanding. So this is the concept. Now it is updating all the records. Now what I need to go for? Go for filtering concept.
Yes.
Okay, filtering concept. We'll see separately filtering tomorrow session. Okay, so this is the now what happened now? How many records will get populated? Only
Only one.
one.
Only
Okay,
specified.
only how to confirm. So cross verify. Now data is working fine. Now commit the data. Commit. So okay, before committing now, first confirm and then commit the changes. Okay, this is the functionality. Now tell me, data has been committed successfully. If I put rollback, there have any impact? Rollback?
No.
Not have any impact.
No, because once we commit data now, it is not possible to revert the changes. Okay, see it. So data is already committed in the database table. So this is fine. So what about the last one? They want to go. So second also, they want to go for what concept? They want to modify this data. Modify. Okay. What about last one? What they want? They want to remove this record. Okay. Now how to remove the existing record? We should go for what concept?
Drop.
Delete.
Table name, delete.
Drop or
Delete.
delete which one? Drop what it will do?
Delete.
Delete. We can delete.
Entire table it will
Delete
drop.
that
Okay, so drop is nothing but to remove the database
entire.
object. Okay, so entire database object. Now we don't want entire database object. We want only this thing. Okay, so to remove the existing database record. Now we should go for what? Go for delete
Delete.
statement. So to delete or remove the existing record from database table. Okay, if I want to remove the existing record from database table, we should go for what concept? Go for delete statement. Okay, so delete. Now what is syntax? Syntaxes are important. Delete from table name. So table name. Okay, so let me go back here. That means delete statement. So delete from table name. Now I forgot my table name. How to get? Go for show tables. Show tables. Okay. So copy the same thing. Control V. Now what happened? Tell me now. What will happen? It will remove all the records. All the records. Okay, tell me all records. Now see the data. Now what happened? Now it will remove. No records will be there. What about in the new session? So records will be available because so now tell me is it correct? Now we don't want to remove. We should go for a rollback, reverting the changes. Now what happened? Now we want to remove last record. Now how to remove last record? We should go for what concept? Go for
Roll back.
first we should go for filtering, not filtering. Where?
Filtering.
So filtering. Okay. Select the star from table where Aadhaar number. Okay. Aadhaar number equals to which record we want? We want the last record. Okay. So we want to be precise. Okay. Control enter. Now make use of delete statement. Delete from our table name. Table name. So it should go for where statement. So see where. Okay. See where. So where, okay, and it's the control enter. Okay. Now how many cards will be removed? Tell me.
Only one.
Only one. Okay. How to confirm? So see here, number of rows deleted. Say one record is there. One record is there. One record. Okay. Okay. Select statement. See. So see this data. Now data is not available. What about the new session? New session. Data is a data will be available. All the records will be available. All the records will be available. Okay. Now how to confirm? So we need to save the changes permanently. Then what I should do?
We need to commit the.
Okay. So we need to commit, control enter. So data will be available. So this is the functionalities. Here we need to understand what. So DDLs are auto committable. So DMLs are okay. We are not. We need to control the transaction. Now, how to control the transaction with the help of what? With the help of transaction controller. That is commit and rollback. Commit will save the data permanently. Rollback will revert the changes. So missing thing we'll see tomorrow. The truncate and the same. Now see your task will be like I'll say the same. This is the task for you. Okay. Now tell me now Snowflake is mainly for what project? Mainly for what?
Data migration.
Migration project. Okay, see, data migration project. Okay, so migration nothing but what? Okay, migration nothing but tell me. Okay, so already the data will be available in any database, either Oracle. Okay, so see, okay, SQL Server DB2. Now we want to migrate this data. Now see what happened in the first. So Oracle from the Oracle database, I want to migrate this data into Snowflake. Okay. Now what happened in the phase one, what we discussed? We should migrate the tables. Now sprint is nothing but what? What is sprint? What is sprint?
2 weeks.
Okay, see, so the work, so remember in real time now the work will be divided into sprint. Okay, see, so in the small modules. Okay, so sprint nothing but so 2 weeks or 4 weeks of work, 4 weeks will be there. In the 2 weeks, they try to give the work to us. Okay, which type of work? Okay, see what happened in real time now. Okay, the entire project will be divided into small modules. Okay, so these modules will call as sprint. So sprint based work, it's like 2 to 4 weeks, depends on the company. So mostly 2 weeks. Okay. See, for the 2 weeks, they try to give the work to us. We need to work accordingly. Okay. Now, what happened February 3rd this week? 2 weeks of work will be there. Now, daily, what type of call will be there? What type of call?
Scrum call,
Scrum call, stand-up
stand-up
call.
call.
Okay, scrum call or stand-up call will be there. Okay. Now tell me now, okay, see who will organize this thing? The Scrum Master. All the team members, the developers, testers, all the team members will be gathered for 15 to 20 minutes. We will discuss on the Jira stories. The sprint planning, what is sprint planning? Now I want to move the existing tables into Snowflake. Now what exactly the Jira task? What is the Jira task? Tell me what is the first task?
Create country table with following that there are two
Okay, see.
Oracle to
Okay, so
Snowflake.
see, assume like the data is already there in suppose see Oracle. So this is my
Existing
table. Now what happened? We need to take this table data and we need to create. So first we need to create the statement. Inside the statement, commit the data. So this is first task. Second task also create the states table. What is the third task? The districts table. Okay. What is the fourth task? Tell me what they want to do.
Country table.
Change the column names
Tell
for
me.
country table.
Change
Change the
country name
column
to
name.
So see here
that's
double
a
is
spelling
what?
mistake. Yeah.
Spelling mistake. Okay. Now how to modify the existing database object definition?
Alter.
By using alter statement and alter and rename. Okay, by using alter and rename, we can able to change the database object definition. Okay. So what about the same thing? Next one, tell me this one.
Change the
Next,
table as per table.
tell me.
Alter rename.
By using, okay, see, they want to go for alter and rename. Okay, so by using alter and rename. Okay. So what about the last one?
Current session.
Tell me. So we want to create
Creating
what?
Snowflake account
We need to
and
create one
database
Snowflake
schema.
account. So see, we need to create multiple databases,
Database.
multiple schemas. Now what happened? Now I want to get this. See what happened? What the question is that what? So there'll be multiple databases. Okay. Now what happened? Now I want to get. So we can go for. So this is the concept. We can use database name like this way. So use database name. Okay. Suppose we want to get this schema. How to get? Use schema name. So see, we can able to drop down like this. Okay. Or we can able to use this set worksheet context. Okay. You can able to drop down. Okay. Or we can able to go for set worksheet context, or you can go for like this, use database name, use schema schema name like this we can able to. But so the question is that what? So you need to create the databases and go for setting. Okay, you can go for use database name, use schema, and we can able to make it working. Got a pointer. So work on this thing and you can able to make it working. And see, we need to follow coding standards. Tell me what the following naming standards, nothing but do the proper naming, proper alignment. So testing. What is testing? Nothing but tell me what is testing we need to do. So we need to see like 4 records are there. This 4 records data should be matched with our data. The same case, uppercase, lowercase, lowercase. Okay. Now what happened? Capture results. What is capture results? We need to take the screenshot for understanding purpose. Okay, this is the functionality. So always give proper namings. Okay, proper columns and alignment should be proper correctly. So we should give proper alignment to the same functionality. What the point? We need to give like this. Okay, like this we need to create the table. Okay. Yeah, exactly. And also, so you need to create the table with proper namings, proper. This is the coding practice we need to follow. Okay, so complete these statements. So almost like, okay, this SQL, okay, SQL console we covered and do this. Okay, this statement, this one also, this almost creating, inserting, update, delete. So all the SQL. So remaining the trunket we'll see tomorrow session. I'll try to close the SQL statement. So SQL statements are important. Without this, we can't able to proceed.